Have you ever wondered how to back up your camera roll on Snapchat? In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily save all those important photos and videos to make sure you never lose them. Let's get started. First things first, open the Snapchat app and tap on your profile picture in the upper left corner. This will take you to your profile screen. Now, what you want to do next is click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see an option called Memories. This is where the magic happens. Tap on it, and you're going to see a few options related to how your snaps and photos are saved. Look for the option that says Save button and tap on it. You'll now have a choice between saving your snaps to Memories, Camera Roll, or both, Memories and Camera Roll. Since we want to make sure your photos are backed up to your phone's camera roll, choose the option Memories and Camera Roll. This way, every time you save a snap, it's saved in both places. Now, let's make sure that all your future snaps are automatically saved. Go back to the previous screen and under Autosave My Story Snaps, tap on it. You'll see three options: Autosave, Don't Autosave, and Ask Before Saving. To prevent Snapchat from auto-saving everything, you can select the Don't Autosave option, or if you want full control, leave it on Ask Before Saving. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.